What's up, everybody? This is not exactly news. It has been issued in late 2020 about this recall for cars from around 2001 to 2003. But I wanted to make a video so maybe people who bought a used car and are not exactly in touch with the dealership, they get the message. And I also search for the official papers, official recall papers from NHTSA, and I'll talk with you about this in a moment. Basically, the recall is issued only in the United States for now. The reason is there are southern states in the United States, and there is a list. By the way, I will put all these links in the comment section. Okay. Um, so this is from Consumer Reports. I try to find the exact information more clear and more accurate. The recall is only for S60 and S80, and I'll tell you perhaps why in a moment. So it doesn't concern the V70. Only through 2001, 2003, and in this NHTSC paper, and the reference number for NHTSC, it's 20V dot whatever is that 681. This is the let me just see. So this is vehicle 1, 2001, 2003 S80. VIN range for S80 is this one here. So just click on the link comment section and check yourself. And for S60 2001, 2003, you have VIN range here. And you also have the manufacturing date Mars to or July to Mars, and this one it's May to Mars, and check your stickers on the car. I'll let you read the description a little bit. What happens is they use the explosive. Basically, the airbag has an explosive powder and pellets. And it seems that in environments with very high humidity and also very high temperature, the passenger airbags only into the steering wheel can absorb humidity, and those pellets degrade somehow, and actually this is increasing the explosive uh, power of the pellets. And when the airbag eventually deflates, if you have a crash, that causes the rupture of the metal casing which is keeping inside these pellets, and those metal parts may fly into your face, throat, etc. And there has been one deceased, one death. Volvo says it has been just one incident, but it doesn't say have there been other incidents, similar incidents that didn't kill the person. We don't know. They only talk about one killed person, so we don't know exactly how widespread it is. Perhaps not too much, but there might be other incidents and the person didn't die. Yeah, so we have the manufacturing, the brand that made those inflators is not the same as the Toyota recall, or there was a big recall. It's not the same problem. Actually, it's similar, but it's not the same manufacturer. Um, so it's only for S60, S80. I was curious why would not touch the V70, and I was looking to the steering shape. This one is a 2002 S80 steering wheel. You see it has four arms, and this one is going to be a V70 2002 same year. It looks very, very similar. I don't know, maybe they use a different furniture, a different model of airbag inside of inflator unit, and this one is the S60 with three spokes, so it's a different steering wheel. So I don't know why the V70 is not recalled on this. And again, this is only on, you'll see the list of these states. Does NHTSA say the states as well? Let me just see. No, I cannot see the states on the NHTSA report. Only you will find them in sites online. The dealership is supposed to recall your car, send you a paper, and you will have the airbag into the steering wheel replaced for free. And yeah, I'll let you read a little bit through this if there's more details. This is again, this is the NHTSA campaign recall, but it has like a slash here in the middle, and this is the Volvo recall number. So maybe call the dealership and yeah, get more information about this. Should you be worried about this? I don't know. Just really personal feeling. I don't think it's that widespread, um, but it's always, safe to go ahead and replace. Now, it seems there are 54,000 cars that were affected by this. However, this is the number of produced cars. So obviously, there are no more this many cars on the road today. I do remember seeing somewhere about half of this number still on the road, something like 20, 25,000 cars. Okay, thanks for watching.